Starting a YouTube channel focused on personal finance and investing is a great way to share your knowledge and passion for financial independence and wealth building. Here's a structured plan to help you get started. 1. Channel identity and branding. Channel name. Choose a memorable and relevant name that reflects your content focus. Examples: WealthWise, Finance Freedom Hub, Money Mastery. Logo and banner. Design a professional logo and banner that visually represent your channel's theme. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help with this. Intro and outro. Create a short, engaging intro and outro for your videos to enhance brand recognition. Use consistent music and visuals. 2. Content planning. Content pillars. Investment strategies, stock market tips, real estate investing, retirement planning, portfolio diversification. Saving tips, budgeting techniques, frugality hacks, debt reduction strategies. Financial product reviews, reviews of credit cards, insurance policies, investment platforms, and financial apps. Personal finance advice, building an emergency fund, financial goal setting, tax planning. Video types. Educational tutorials, step-by-step guides on topics like opening an investment account, using budgeting tools, etc. Interviews, feature experts in finance, successful investors, or individuals who've achieved financial independence. Case studies, analyze real-life financial scenarios and how different strategies can be applied. Q&A sessions, address common questions from your audience. 3. Video production. Equipment. Camera, a good quality camera or a smartphone with a high-resolution camera. Microphone, an external microphone for clear audio. Lighting, softbox lights or ring lights to ensure good lighting. Editing software, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve. Recording tips. Script your videos, plan your talking points to ensure clarity and structure. Engage with viewers, speak clearly, make eye contact with the camera, and encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions. Consistency, aim for a regular posting schedule, such as weekly or bi-weekly uploads. 4. SEO and promotion. SEO optimization. Keywords, use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find relevant keywords for titles, descriptions, and tags. Thumbnails, create eye-catching thumbnails with bold text and appealing images. Descriptions, write detailed video descriptions with timestamps, links to resources, and related content. Promotion. Social media, share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Collaborations, partner with other YouTubers or bloggers in the finance niche. Engagement, respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a community. 5. Monetization and growth. Monetization options. YouTube ad revenue, enable ads on your videos once you meet the eligibility criteria. Affiliate marketing, promote financial products or services and earn commissions on sales. Sponsorships, partner with brands for sponsored content. Merchandise, sell branded merchandise or digital products like ebooks and courses. Growth strategies. Analytics, regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what content performs best. Feedback, ask your audience for feedback and suggestions to improve your content. Continuous learning, stay updated on YouTube trends, SEO strategies, and financial topics. Sample content calendar for the first month. Week 1. Introduction video, welcome to, channel name. What to expect, channel goals, your background, and upcoming content. Video, top 5 budgeting tips for beginners. Week 2. Video, how to start investing with $100. Video, review, best budgeting apps of 2024. Week 3. Video, understanding index funds and ETFs. Video, interview with a financial advisor on retirement planning. Week 4. Video, saving strategies, how to save on everyday expenses. Video, Q&A, your personal finance questions answered. By following this structured approach, you'll be well on your way to creating valuable, engaging, and informative content that helps your audience achieve their financial goals while building a successful YouTube channel.